This is how I wrap my knees at night. In the morning, I feel a huge difference. It's part of a homemade ritual that starts with simple ingredients. Take half a cup of warm water and add a tablespoon of flour and a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda has anti-inflammatory properties and helps relieve joint tension, while the flour gives the paste the right consistency. Stir slowly until the ingredients combine into a smooth, uniform mixture. Then, add a teaspoon of cinnamon and a tablespoon of salt. Cinnamon will warm and improve circulation, providing relief from pain, while salt has anti-swelling properties and supports regeneration. The paste will become warm and slightly grainy. It's ready to apply to your knee. Apply a thin layer and gently massage it in. Wrap with plastic wrap to secure it and create occlusion. Cover with a towel. Leave it on for several minutes to let the ingredients work their magic. It's best to leave it on overnight. Then, simply wipe off the remaining paste with a paper towel. Your knee will feel noticeably lighter, and the tension and discomfort will fade away. The pain will vanish, a natural relief you can trust. I threw away my foot file. If you struggle with thick and cracked skin on your feet, this trick will definitely change your life. It may look strange, but it works great. I stopped going to the beautician. All you need is a regular sanitary pad and some paste. Squeeze toothpaste into a bowl. Many people don't realize it has great skincare properties. Then, add a tablespoon of baking soda. This helps achieve the right consistency and boosts the paste's effects. Baking soda is antibacterial, soothes inflammation, and softens the skin. I spread a thick layer of the paste onto the pad. I place my clean foot on top, making sure the heel is centered and doesn't hang off the edge. I secure everything with a sock, which prevents the compress from moving and helps press the paste into the skin. I keep it on for about 2 hours. After that, I remove the sock and pad, then wash my feet in lukewarm water, gently massaging in circular motions. I do this treatment once a week. With regular use, the skin on my heels becomes smooth. The result? Baby-soft feet. I'm sure you didn't know this clever use for a sanitary pad. Start by taking 2 pads. Draw a heart on the wrapper of one, then cut out the shape. Thanks to their absorbency, pads can hold and gradually release scents. Their surface also sticks well to various materials, making them easy to place without shifting. Spray your favorite perfume or add a few drops of essential oil to the heart-shaped pad, then stick it to the underside of the toilet lid. With each lift, a fresh scent will be released, keeping the bathroom smelling pleasant. For a longer-lasting effect, place a scented heart on the inside of the toilet paper roll. It can also go inside your closet door for a gentle, fresh scent each time you open it. Use essential oils on the pads as well. They're great for neutralizing odors. Stick an oil-soaked piece inside the trash can lid or on the side to keep unpleasant odors at bay and add a refreshing aroma to the kitchen. Stick a sanitary pad to your foot. Beauty experts don't want you to know this. I'll show you exactly what to do. Take a small bowl, add a teaspoon of baking soda. It's great for exfoliating your skin, leaving it smooth and refreshed. It's also great for neutralizing odors and softening rough skin. Then squeeze in some toothpaste, which works wonders on your skin with its exfoliating, softening, and antibacterial properties. Mix both into a smooth paste. Now take a sanitary pad and spread the mixture onto it. Do it slowly but carefully. Stick it to your foot and put on a sock. Leave it overnight. By morning, your skin will be baby soft, your feet will feel transformed, and you'll never need to spend money at the beauty salon again. Your feet will thank you for this simple and affordable treatment. Put a sanitary pad inside your sock. This trick will help you get rid of a persistent problem. Shoes often rub at the worst moments. Instead of searching for Band-Aids that will roll off or fall off after a while, try this trick. Cut a piece of the pad and stick it to the spot where the shoe is rubbing. Then put on your sock and continue wearing the same shoes comfortably. I guarantee this trick will bring relief. It's a genius hack that I use myself. Cut a thin sanitary pad and put it in your shoes. You'll thank me for this trick later. Thin sanitary pads are perfect for heels and all other types of shoes. Cut them into smaller pieces and insert them into your shoes. Every woman should know this trick. When your shoes cause blisters, you can use thin sanitary pads. They have rounded ends. Cut them off. You'll have 2 such pieces. They are delicate and soft. Remove the protective paper from the adhesive side. Stick 1 piece inside your shoe, precisely at the heel. Do the same with the other shoe. This will prevent your feet from slipping out of the heels and stop them from rubbing against your heels. It's the perfect solution for women, providing comfort and convenience when wearing heels or new shoes. I attach the thinly spread pad to my foot. It's a great substitute for a foot file. If you have a problem with thick, cracked skin on your feet, this trick will definitely change your life. Although it looks strange, its effectiveness is fantastic. I stopped going to the beautician. All you need is a regular pad and a paste that you can make at home. Into a bowl, I squeeze toothpaste. Most people don't know that it has a brilliant effect on the skin. It has exfoliating properties. It gently removes dead skin cells. Additionally, it disinfects and softens the skin. Next, I add a tablespoon of baking soda. This helps achieve the consistency of the paste. Additionally, it has antibacterial properties. It calms inflammation. Baking soda also has a softening effect on the skin. It enhances the action of the paste. I apply the prepared paste onto a regular pad. I don't skimp and apply a really thick layer. Then I place a clean foot on top of it. It's important that the heel doesn't protrude. I secure this compress with a sock. It presses the paste onto the leg perfectly and prevents it from shifting. We leave it on for 2 hours. After that time, we remove the sock and wash our feet with lukewarm water. Gently massage in circular motions. I repeat this procedure once a week. Cracks and fungal infections will disappear, and the feet are as soft as a baby's. Pour this liquid on panty liners and see how fantastically it works. If you have regular panty liners or thin, small pads, use them. Pads and panty liners are essential for the personal hygiene of every woman. They are absorbent and don't leak, which makes them useful for other purposes. Take 1 panty liner and cut it in half with scissors, just like I do in the video. Spread them out on a table or countertop. Take your favorite fabric softener and pour a small amount into a measuring cup. Pour it over both pieces of the liner. Pour just enough so that it soaks into the pad without dripping. Now, remove the paper covering the sticky part of the liner. Take the liner and open your wardrobe. Here's where we'll use our fabric softener-soaked liner. Stick the liner to the side wall of the wardrobe. Stick the other half on the opposite side. This makes an excellent wardrobe freshener. Thanks to these liners, your wardrobe will have the pleasant scent of fresh laundry. You can easily make another freshener when this one stops working. Stick a sanitary pad under your armpit. This trick will change your life. The first product you need is a sanitary pad. Start by partially unwrapping it. Then take your favorite perfume. All you need to do now is spray the perfume on it. Wait for a moment. Next, take deodorant and spray it on the pad. Cut the pad into smaller pieces. Take the shirt you're planning to wear. Stick the previously cut pieces of the pad in the areas under your armpits. This way, you'll get rid of the embarrassing problem, and no sweat stains will appear on your shirt. You can also use these pad pieces for your shoes. Grab your sneakers and stick a pad to the insole. Your shoes will smell great, and the pad will perfectly absorb sweat. This quick and easy trick will give an ordinary pad new functions. Plus, it's an affordable and convenient solution for daily sweat issues.